Welcome back to Math with Mel. Today we tackle 5 of the last 10 questions of the ACT. If you're looking for my other videos, you can find those in the link below. Let's get started on questions 36 through 40. Question number 36. During a particular experiment, 2 events, A and B, can each occur. Events A and B are mutually exclusive during this experiment. Which of the following probabilities is 0? Events A and B are mutually exclusive. That means that they can't both occur at the same time. We need to understand this language here. An or statement means either A or B happens, and an and statement means they both happen. So because these are mutually exclusive, it can't be option D, the probability of A and B. Question number 37. The polynomial function defined by p of x equals x cubed plus x squared minus 8x minus 12 has the quantity x minus 3 as one of its linear factors. What are all and only the zeros of p? This is a perfect problem to type into Desmos and just see where it crosses the x-axis. Let's go there right now. Let's type that equation in. P of x equals x cubed plus x squared minus 8x minus 12. Where does this cross the x-axis? At -2 and +3. So if we go back to our original choices, this is option C. Question number 38. Jonathan rode his bike every day for 18 days. The table shows each of the distances he rode. The table also shows the number of days he rode each of those distances. What is the median daily distance in miles that Jonathan rode his bike for the 18 days? I'm just going to create an organized list here so we can find the median. We know that he went 1 mile 2 days, so I'm going to do 1 mile, 1 mile. He went 3 miles 4 days, so 3, 3, 3, 3. That's 4 times. He did 4 miles 3 times, so 1, 2, 3 of those. He did 5 miles 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he did 7 miles 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we know that there's 18 days, and if we divide 18 in half to find the middle number, there's going to be 2 numbers in the middle. So what I'm going to quick do is I'm going to go from the outsides and I'm going to cross out 8 numbers from both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That leaves me with these 2 middle numbers. Now, since there's not an exact median, I need to take the average. So I can do 5 and 4 together, or 4 plus 5, divided by 2, and I get 4.5. Or I think we can just visually see that halfway in between there's going to be 4.5. So this is going to be option choice D. Question number 39. A tourism organization randomly selected 100 tourists finishing their summer visit to Spain. The organization asked them how many cities they had toured in the country. The table shows the results. Based on these data, for the population of tourists that visited Spain during the summer, what is the best estimate of the mean number of cities toured? Here's how we're going to start. We know that 10 tourists visited one city, so I'm going to do 10 times 1. And we know that 40 of them visited 2, so I'm going to do 40 times 2 cities. And we know that 50 visited 3 cities, so 50 times 3. And we want to find the mean, so we need to take these numbers, the total number of cities, and we need to divide them by the total number of people. And the total number of people is 10 plus 40 plus 50. So I'm just going to write that right here. 10 plus 40 plus 50. So if I simplify this really quick, I get 10 plus 80 plus 150. And on the bottom, 10 plus 40 is 50 plus 50 is 100. Simplify this all together. 10 plus 80 is 90, and 90 plus 150 is 240. Over 100, and 240 divided by 100 gives us answer choice C, 2.4. Question number 40. Given the equation, the fourth root of x equals y, where y is a real number, what must be true of x? X is one of these choices. Now, the fourth root means multiplying by the same number 4 times to get x. For example, if y equals 2, then x equals 2 to the 4th equals 16. But what if x were negative? Let's try x equals negative 16. Fourth root of negative 16. Well, that just doesn't make sense as a real number because any number multiplied by itself 4 times, like negative 2 to the 4th or 2 to the 4th, is always positive. So the only values of x that work are non-negative, 0, or positive numbers. So this has got to be answer choice D.